Start.
Then everyone, from the story I've perceived three characters, all being male in the age group of 22 to 23, and the mood being positive, and the action of my story is saving an injured subordinate. Vijay is a 23-year-old NCC cadet from 2 by 9 company in Christ University, and as a part of the adventure camp, his company was visiting Nandi Hills for a camping trip. While scaling one of the mountain hills, one of his subordinates fell down and injured himself severely. Vijay immediately went to his rescue, gave him basic first aid, and was devastated to find that he has an internal injury. So, using the camping materials and the nearby logs available, he made a makeshift stretcher, and using one of his other subordinates, he put the injured subordinate on the stretcher, and via the bridge they scaled down and went to the lower base camp, wherein the injured subordinate was given medical aid, and Vijay was there throughout the process. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture, I have perceived three characters, all being male, age around 27 to 30 years old. And the mood of the picture is positive. And the action of my story is rescuing his buddy for to the medical camp. Suraj, a 30-year-old, posted in Arunachal Pradesh as a BSF. He was on his daily duty patrolling over his vehicle with his other team members. Suddenly they heard a loud noise, a noise of line sliding. They immediately go for the happening, what is happening there. They found that one of their partner of the team was injured under that landsliding. They immediately rescued him from there, provide the first aid kit taken from their vehicle. They also take out the stretcher from their vehicle. They lay him on there and immediately rescued him for the medical post where he get treatment for the further process. Thank you.
Then everyone, from the story, I have perceived three characters, all male, in the age ranging between 25 to 25. The overall mood of my characters is positive, and the action of my story is soldiers conducting a search and rescue mission in a mountain. Arnab is a young lieutenant who works in the Rajputana Rifles of the Indian Army, commissioned there. And one day his company is made to participate in a search and rescue mission in Bastar, Chhattisgarh, where they were tasked to rescue their injured buddy and take him to the medical camp. So Arnab gathered his buddy together, and one of his buddies acted as the injured person, and he and his buddy created a stretcher, a makeshift stretcher from bamboo and jute available and whatever was available in the forest at that time. Put his injured buddy on it, and then they crossed the river through the wooden bridge to take him to the medical camp, and successfully they completed their task, and Arnab was satisfied that he was able to do the drill with his buddies successfully. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I perceive the three person. All these are male, and the overall mood of my picture story is positive. And the action of my story is saving injured people life. Mm, my story is Ram, a 25-year-old man working on the Tata Builders project in Gujarat with his friends. When he saw there were many traffic in the road, and the ambulance is stuck on the road. He saw a very serious person in the ambulance and take a permission from the driver of the ambulance to take that person at the shortest route, which is the shortest bridge. To take this route for reach the hospital, and he Ram and his friends take them with a stretcher and reach the hospital and save their life.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived three characters, all male, age ranging between 20 to 23 years old, and the overall mood of the picture is positive. The action of my story is saving an injured comrade. Shyam is a 23-year-old young AFMC pass out from Pune. He, along with his team, are being sent and posted to the flood-stricken areas in the northeast India. There, they rescued
a lot of people, and during rescuing them, one of his mate got injured and got injured seriously. He immediately noticed him and called out to his friend. In the meantime, from his kit, he gave him the basic first aid and tied a clean cloth around his wound to stop the bleeding. He also sprinkled some water on his face to wake him up to the consciousness. Since he did not wake up, along with his teammates, he made a makeshift stretcher using the bamboo and the canva cloth and took him to the nearest medical camp via the makeshift bridge they made earlier. There, his injured comrade was given the appropriate aid and was sent to the nearest city hospital. Later, Sham got to know that his mate is healed and is in a good condition, and he was happy about it.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived three characters, age ranging between 22 to 23, all in positive mood, and the action of my story is saving the injured soldiers from the front lines. Sanjeev, who is a young AFMC pass out doctor, was posted in the front lines to evacuate the injured personnel from the front lines to the military health camp behind the front lines. So Ram was on a routine with his buddy and was searching to the front lines for the injured, and he get injured. Then he gave with his buddy him the first aid, cleaned his wound with the spirit, applied bandages to stop bleeding immediately, and then put him on the stretcher. They makes a stretcher with the help of wood from the tree and from the clothes, and after that they keep the injured person on the stretcher and then cross the Nala and then get back to the military camp for the medical attention, and then they also again went back to the front lines to secure much more personnel as they can.
Jai Hind everyone, from the pictures shown to us, I have perceived three characters, all male, age ranging around 24 to 36, all are in positive mood. Action of my story is conducting drill to see the preparedness. Ram, 36-year-old Havildar in Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, has wanted to see the preparedness of his Jawan, so he conducted a drill to see how they can evacuate their injured persons from the hilly areas or in the nalas that have in that areas. So he take his Jawans to the field where nala is there and a pond is also there. So at there they cut the bamboos, they take woods, and with the clothes they made a stretcher, and they make one person as injured one and conducted a drill to how to evacuate the injured person from the difficult areas, like in a conflict situation, to rescue their injured person. So they have conducted drill successfully, and he was happy that all of his Jawans are prepared about these situations. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived three characters, all are male, the age is 24 and the overall mode of my picture is positive. The action of my story is utilizing the natural resources to save an unconscious man to the base. Rahul, 24 years, is recently commissioned in the Indian Armed Forces, and they were given a task by their seniors to go through the jungle, and during that task one of their men got unconscious and fainted and injured. So Rahul arranged, utilizing the natural resources available in the jungle, he arranged the water from the river and the minerals around him, and he also given him the coconut water available in the jungle. After that, the injured man could not come in the conscious state, so with the help of his friend, he arranged some bamboos and also the roots of the trees. They made a stretcher. They have taken him on the stretcher and they have crossed the wooden bridge. And after that, they all have reached to the base, and the injured man got consciousness, and they have completed the task on time. In this way, they have saved the man along with completing the task, and he appreciated his men's. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, I perceived three characters with all being male, age group between 22 to 23 years. All seems to be in a positive mood, and the action of my story is evacuating a teammate. Ram, age 23 years, is a mountaineering and trekking enthusiast. During one of his expeditions, one of his teammates got slipped as they were trekking in hills of Himachal Pradesh during the rainy season. Due to slippery, he got severe injuries. He immediately gave him the first aid. After giving him the first aid, he got some wood, and from their t-shirts they make a stretcher, and they evacuated the teammate. While the evacuation, he instructed his team to set up a camp there till the time he returns. And while taking him during the evacuation, he makes sure that his other teammate also didn't get hurt. And after the evacuation, he got him into the hospital and returned to the expedition, and his teammate was safe. Thank you.
And everyone, as shown picture, I perceive three main characters, age bracket around 30 to 35. Overall mood is positive, and the action of my story is provide immediate medical facility to the subordinate. And my story goes like Ram, a 30-year-old forest ranger working in a Satpura Reserve forest, where one day when he is in patrolling with his two subordinates, one subordinate feel panic, and he gets sweat, and he's sweating and unconscious. So he ordered the other subordinate to took care him, and he took immediate action and took his knife and rope to cut the bamboos and make a stretcher, and to lay down his subordinate to reach the hospital for immediate facility. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, from my story I have mainly perceived three characters. The age bracket is between 20 to 25, all male, and the overall mood is positive. And the action of my story is saving an injured worker. Vivek is a 23-year-old mining engineer who has been recently employed into Tata coal mines. One day, as he was on his supervision, he recently heard that one of his workers had been fainted and was lying across. So he gathered one of his senior workers and immediately ordered him to bring a stretcher, and they both rushed him to resuscitate the fainted worker. Upon reaching, they helped the worker to get upon on the stretcher and then escorted him to the medical room. Then after getting to the medical room, they advised him that he should be fully hydrated before working and also have a full hearty meal before work. Later, when he heard about the successful recovery of his fellow fainted worker, he was satisfied, and later he was praised by the labor union for his quick action. Thank you very much.
Jai Hind everyone. I have observed three male characters. The age ranging should be from 27 to 35. The action of my story is helping his injured teammates. Ram was posted in Jammu and Kashmir, and he has received a call from the commander. He has asked for the teammates that to be needed for the backup plan, the operation which was going in a nearby village. Ram has spoken to his commander and arranged a team of 50, and after that he has gone to nearby village where the operation was going on. He has find some casualty soldiers where he was in the army medical corps, so his responsibility was to take the casualty to the nearby hospital. After that, the 50 teammates had taken to the hospital nearby with the help of old bridge and saved the soldier's life.
So Jai Hind everyone, from the given picture I have perceived total 3 characters, all being male, and overall mood of my picture is positive. The action of my story is that the army men are rescuing the citizens from flood affected area. So Ram was a 35-year-old Subedar major in the Indian army, and one day he received a radio message from the authority that nearby village was affected by a flood. So he gathered all the main supplies like camps, medical aids, food, shelter, everything, and he along with his men went to the village as soon as possible. Arriving the village, he saw that there was a bridge which was damaged due to the flood, and then he quickly ordered the men to repair the bridge and make it workable. So after repairing the bridge in 5 minutes, they were able to rescue mostly all the citizens from the village, and they gave him medical aid and set a campsite at an elevated area so that they all can live there until unless the flood affected area is getting calmer. Thank you.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive 3 characters, all are male and age ranging between 20 to 25 years. And the overall mood of my story is positive. The action of my story is saving the injured Jawan. Rohan is a newly posted captain in the Uri sector, and he is from the Army Medical Corps. And he is attached to the Jetla infantry, and the unit in which he is attached was doing a mock drill. So in the mock drill, during firing, a Jawan was hit by a bullet, and he immediately called a stretcher and took the Jawan on the stretcher and then gave him the first aid and also cleared his wound and put a tight bandage on it so that the blood will not more blood will not flow. And then after that, with the help of one subordinate, he took him to the base camp and did his treatment, and after performing the surgery, took the bullet out of his hand and saved his life. Thank you.
Okay,
gentlemen,
as we have seen
from Aryan to Saurabh,
As most of us.
and Daspal to Aryan. So we'll start with Saurabh and this group.
So, let's come to common theme first of all. It's either a rescue operation or a mock drill going on.
Yes.
There is a mock drill going on because there
They look like that in the literal uniform. They are wearing the helmets and they are having the proper.
So we will have, and it's a young age group, so age group between 22 and 23.
Yes.
We have
but the drill instructor is around 30 plus year age, so we will take drill instructor as a 36 year of age, as he is a
very similar age. All three of them look to be very young and of a very similar
Person like the stretcher is also wearing the uniform, so maybe one of the kids has gotten injured and they are helping that person.
It can be a simple search and rescue.
It can be a search and
simple rescue operation, and a make sure stretcher has been created
Yes,
in order
using
to
grammars
rescue
and the
him.
canvas work, they have.
Okay, next. So,
They are wearing the dress and it is a rescue or drill operation. We should
They are saving the injured person. See, General, we can take a simple theme that he got injured during a mock drill and his subordinate.
Yes, I agree with gentlemen. I think for these kids, I think to make this stretcher, they have used the roots of the trees. They made the stretcher and they made the main gentlemen. They are taking the from the army medical corps. They already have stretcher with them. And the stretcher is of wooden complete group. Okay.
Okay, nominate one person from this group, one person from this group. Nominate करो.
Chest number 2.
Chest number 2. ये क्या नाम है? संभवी and आर्यन. और ये कौन है? अवनीश and हमजा. चलो. या हमजा start करो.
Sir, from our healthy discussion, we have arrived to a consensus that there is a mock drill operation going on. So our story goes as Vivek is a 23-year-old mine worker who has been recently been blooded into the coal mines. Also, when there is one infiltrated worker there, he and his mate had been completing an successful operation, rescue operation, and they had rescued him successfully.
Okay, एक मिनट pause करना.
Jain sir, so from the conclusion, our group has arrived. Our group has decided that there are 3 characters in the picture, all male, age group between 20 to 24 years old, and the hero of our story is Shyam. So Shyam is a young lieutenant from Rajputana Rifles, and he along with his platoon is posted in a earthquake-struck area in the northeastern states. So there's a search rescue operation going on, and Shyam and his teammates are rescuing the villagers. While rescuing them, one of its steeds got injured. So Shyam immediately noticed him and gave him the basic first aid from his kit and called for his other teammates for help, and they prepared a makeshift stretcher, took the injured man to the base camp with the help of the stretcher. They gave him the first aid there and then sent him to the hospital.
Okay, good. Yeah, सब ready रहेंगे बोलने के लिए.
Thank you group for nominating me. Jain sir, from the story we have perceived that there are three male characters all being in a positive mood, and Shyam is the main protagonist of the story. So he is a lieutenant posted in the northeastern region which has been struck by an earthquake. So they're on a simple search and rescue operation of the nearby villages. So he and his subordinates come across one injured man. They give him basic first aid, and using the materials available with them and in the forest, they have created a makeshift stretcher via which they rescue the person and take him to the base camp and give him the medical aid. Thank you.